here I am in this field. I want to try this mission planning. I've just set up my coordinates and this is my drone right now. I want to try the autonomous flight mode of this drone. So here is my workstation. It's right here and my drone is right here, and I want to do it right now. So let me go. I'm holding the camera with one hand. So I'm dropping this now. Yes, I've just dropped the controller, and since this is an autonomous mission, the drone is progressing to the first waypoint. It just did that and is heading to the next waypoint, which is a bit further. Then it's moving to the third waypoint, and then it's about to progress back to the fourth waypoint, and that's the final waypoint. Now it's about to descend to go back to the exact position where it started or it took off from. Now notice that I'm not holding the controller. Look at the controller on the ground. Can you see it far away? Can you see that? But because the drone is about to land on that same spot, I have to pick it up. Because the drone left or took off from that same point, I have to pick it up so that it doesn't land on top of the transmitter. And now the drone is back home.
Autonomous mode completed.